Hey, what's up guys? Today we are here at Coolidge Park in Chattanooga, Tennessee. We're continuing our series and things to do in Chattanooga, so come on and join us. I did want to note before we get moving that you do have to pay to park. It's like 25 cents for 6 minutes and 75 cents for 45 minutes. So it's not too bad, but do remember that whenever you come, bring change or your debit card, because you do have to pay to park. Coming over the horizon here. Well, it's not really a horizon, it's just a hill. Let's see, we are right here underneath the Walnut Street Bridge, and if you guys remember, we did a video about that earlier, so I'll link that in the description down below. Here's just the look of what's around here. As you can see, there's a stage over here that they do little shows, yep, concerts at here. We're gonna go down over here by the water. Anybody for a game of hopscotch? Angie likes to play hopscotch. She always does it at every location we go to. Her favorite thing to do. Alright, we are down here by the water now. Let's give you a good look here. There's the bridge. People out here kayaking. Paddleboard. There's people kayaking too, though, out there.
Oh, yep, I see it now.
Here's the other bridge you can cross over, and the Tennessee Aquarium over there.
That's where we were standing when we filmed last time, isn't it?
Over there.
Oh, over there. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Sorry.
It's okay. This is just really an area just to come to, though, and just to look at the sights, I would say, because it is pretty here. Why is it every time we come to Chattanooga it's like half rainy and half sunsetty or blue sky? I don't understand.
It's really bright blue though.
Yeah. Right there it's bright blue.
Yeah.
Over there
Cloudy-ish.
it's like, you know what, I'm gonna creep up on you. It is supposed to rain a little bit later today, so we probably should get moving before it rains on us. This is where we just came from, right over here. And we're gonna go right up here actually and look at the carousel that they have up here. Right, when we come back on this side, you can actually see that it opens up here. Big open field area. You just play around. The bridge, of course, continues over here. It looks like there's a splash pad over there. Let's go check that out real quick. Looks like they are doing some construction over here of some type. The Peace Grove, honoring Chattanooga's sister cities and friendships around the world. The sister city is actually in Germany. Didn't know that. This tree was planted for the sister city. So I would assume there's one in Germany too that is built. Or planted. Not built. It's crazy to think though that over in Germany there'd be a city that's kind of like Chattanooga. It's crazy. And if you do want to fill up on water, they have the bottle fill up stations right outside the carousel. You hear that music? Reminds me of the old time carnival. Okay, so here's the splash pad. It is currently closed right now for maintenance. That's really cool.
Looks like water shoots out of the animals' mouths, though. That's cool.
Mm-hmm. As you can see, there's someone taking a nap over there. Here's the splash pad. And this lion also is a splash pad, or a part of the splash pad, I should say. Get ready to get on this thing. It's a little loud in here, so sorry if you can't hear me. Was constructed in Philadelphia, it says, right up there. So we're gonna do this. It's not air conditioned in here. They have very large fans, as you can see. They have kiosks where you purchase your ticket at. Where you buy your ticket right here. How much was it?
$1 a piece.
$1 a piece for the tickets. So here's the kiosk where you buy the tickets right here. $1. Not bad. For safety purposes, I'm sitting on the bench because I don't trust myself with this camera to fall and hurt myself. And it would not be a good day. But Auntie's up here. There she is, just chilling. Am I detecting a few G's on this thing? Because this literally feels like this might be pulling a few G's. I don't know. It's not as slow as the one at Dollywood. This is a lot faster. But, you know, the older I get, the more I cannot take rides that go in a circle. I'm just gonna sit here and talk while this thing goes around about how I can't take it. Now, rides like Velocicoaster, Gringotts, stuff like that, I could take all day. But rides like this, I don't know, it just makes me very sick going to a circle for forever. And it's not like it's going in a circle for forever. But still, this music is quite annoying. It doesn't stop. Oh, here's some restrooms right here if you need to go to the restroom while you're in there. Look at that. I wish vlogging was always this easy. You just sit and let it take you around the world. That would be awesome. And I do have to say, with all the fans that they have in here, they have a bunch of fans in here. It's actually quite cool. Not bad at all. Do not sit on the display animals. But I really like this frog right here. He's a good friend. It totally sounds like I'm drinking something. I promise I'm not. He's my best friend, Mr. Frog. Okay, that was weird. Starting to dig the music, and the music's slowing down on me. So come on, pick it back up. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah. Heavy metal. To a close, but the music just doesn't stop. the end of it. All right, Angie, what did you think?
It was fun.
Yeah. Not bad.
It was a long ride too.
Right.
Kind of cool.
I know, it was like at least 2 minutes because I left the clip going for like 2 minutes. But we had a good time. Just coming out here real quick to show you guys this. We are dwindling down. Go ahead.
And it's reasonably priced, $1 per ticket.
Yeah, only $1.
So that's really good.
Yeah, that's really cheap. But we are dwindling down our series on the area of Chattanooga. So we have one more video to do, and we want you guys to vote on what we should do. So we are either looking at Ruby Falls or Rock City. So let us know down in the comments what you want us to do, and we will do that. We'll conclude our series at one of those places. So until then, you got anything to add?
Nope.
All right. Thanks guys for watching. God bless y'all. And remember, the road goes ever on. See you next time.